back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and for today's video I am doing this beautiful blue eyeshadow. It's like different types of blues, and I also even applied a little bit of purple in there. I don't know what I'm gonna call this look, but I am using the Nikkie Tutorials palette. I rarely go into the Nikkie Tutorials palette as much as I thought I would. So yeah, so today I'm just messing around with it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please stay and watch. Hey guys, so starting off using the Nikkie Tutorials Pressed Pigment palette, I'm gonna go into the shade Amsterdam, which is this beautiful blue shade. It is so deep, I just love it so much. I love blues. And I'm patting it into my crease. I almost forgot to tell you that. Next up, I'm taking this green shade, which is called Etude, but it's green in the palette, but when you apply it onto the eyes, it's like mint. So it like threw me off a bit, but I like it though. And I just did the same thing, I pat it in. By the way, I'm using a smoky eye brush from Essence. I'm now gonna mix those two together, so I'm gonna apply the green shade on top of the blue shade and vice versa, and just stacking them on top of each other until they blend in together. Okay, next up I'm taking Slasher, which is this deep kind of plum shade. It's such a beautiful purple. I really do love purples and blues. I love making eye looks with those two colors in it. I might be a little repetitive with that, but they are pretty colors. So I am just stapling it on and the end of my eye, so like the outer edge of my eye. So now I'm taking a blending brush, and this is from the AOA Studio, and this is from the eye brush collection, and I am just taking a little bit of the eyeshadow. So like I'm starting off with the green, I'm taking a little bit of that mint and then applying it on and then just blending it out. And then I do the same thing for the blue. Just grab a little bit of product and blend out the edge and the purple, because we don't want any harsh lines. And to blend it even further, I go into this light blue that kind of is so light that it sometimes you can't see that it has a hint of blue, and it's called Plot Twist, and this just blends it all like together so beautifully. Alright, I already cut my crease to save us time, but now we're going to go into the shimmer shade, which is called Mama Tutorials. It is so pretty, and like usually I go in with my fingers and that's how I get the pigmentation, but this works with the brush too, so that's a good thing, because sometimes brushes can't really pick up shimmers. Next up, I take the, I think Ellen or Helen, I'm pretty sure it's Ellen. Yeah, Ellen Tracy black liquid eyeliner. It's one of my favorites, and I use it every once in a while because I don't want to use it up. Then I take the shade Pride, and I just apply that in my inner corners. I also took the shade Ivy, and I applied it underneath my brow bone, but I didn't show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish my whole face and I'll be right back. I did want to have ponytails, but I'm not so sure anymore. Ooh, I want to have like these two like curls in the front, like once I take these down, and then have just this like that, but I don't know if that looks too childish. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, did I give you a close-up look of like my makeup? My lashes, for some reason, I mean, they're on. Don't get me wrong. You know what? Recently, I've been just struggling with my lashes, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if maybe I'm getting like really picky, because I'm starting to notice when they apply like not the way that I want them to. But either ways, yeah. So that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Also, ring that notification bell to see future videos. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.